Good morning and welcome to Legit Airdrop. So in today's video, I will be telling you how to get a bull token. What you will be getting a bull token. So so um so in this video, I will be telling you how to get 100 bull token, 100 bull token, which is about 500 and 1000 USD. So let's go to the website. So at the point of watching this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's move on how to get our bull token. So what you want to do is that I will be dropping a link of this website in the description of this video. So I will be dropping a link of this website in the description of this video. So you go to the description and get the link. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. So don't skip any part of this video. So let's go to Popcoin. Let's go to Popcoin. So let me show you how much this coin actually worth. So make sure you watch to the very end. Don't skip any part of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So I have I have bull token. Let me click on bull. Okay, I have 2,800 bull token. So let me change to BNB. So I want to be swapping this bull token to BNB. So I have 2,800. So let me click on maximum. So you can see it's giving me 4 point something BNB. So this is the amount. So I can approve this now and swap it directly. So you can see the amount is giving me. So from this to this, you can see is my balance. Okay, so let's go to the website. So make sure you watch till the end. So I forgot to show you the price. The bull token, the price is about $26. It's about $26. So it's about $26. So let's go to the website. Let's go to the website. So this is the website. This bull token is actually a good project. So their total supply is not much. It's about 900,000. So you can go through the white paper and the rest. So you can go through the white paper and the rest. So this is a roadmap. You can see you can add many questions. So to get your own Metable token, this is they are going to be listed in March 12th. So let me see today's date. Okay, they should be listed in they should be listed by now. So according to them, they say they will be listed in March 12, sorry. So to get your, you can see we still have about 24 days, 11 hour, 46 minutes and some seconds. So so at the purpose of making this video, okay, you can see get for the referral program you can refer, but um the purpose of making this video is for you to get a free meta token. So we are not going to pay a dime. You can see they're asking you to approve, so you can approve before getting the token, but we are not doing all of this stuff. So we will be using the bot. We'll be using the bot to get a free meta token without paying a dime. So let's go to the bot. So but if you want to buy if you want to buy from the pre-sale, so you can buy from the website. So I will be dropping the link in the description, so you can buy. If you don't want to go through the bot, if you don't want to use the bot, you can buy through the website. So you can partake in pre-sale and put the amount of BNB you are willing to spend. So I'll be dropping the link in the description of the video. So this is a contract address. So you can copy and add it to your wallet. So so let's go to the bot. So let's go to the bot. So you can see you can follow them on Twitter. You can follow them on Twitter, Instagram. So let's go to the bot on how to get this MetaBot token. So I will be going to my Telegram. So if you don't have Telegram, you can go and download it. So I'll be going to my Telegram. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because if you skip any of this video, you're gonna make a mistake. Maybe you end up not getting your Boo token. So you end up not getting your Boo token. So let me go to the boot. Let me go to the boot. So I will be pausing this video. Once I get the boot, I will be playing it back. Alright, welcome back. So this is the boot. So I've actually used this boot. I will be clearing the history. So let me clear the history. So I'll be clearing this boot history. So I can start all over again. So I'll be clearing the history of this boot. So I'll be dropping the link of this boot in the description of this video. So you go to the description and get the link. So this is the boot link. So I'll be clicking on start. So you can see they said we should join group 1, group 2. So I'll be going to group 2. So I'll be joining the group 2. Okay. So you can do it by typing MetaBot token. So I have already done all of this stuff. So in your own case, you will be joining this group. Join this group 3. Join the channel, the whole channels, then follow the spot, the advert, the advert channel. So once you're done with that, you click on done. So let's proceed. Let's wait for it to load up a little bit. Alright, you can see it said pre-sale is live. So pre-sale and airdrop live, so you can partake in the pre-sale. So you can partake in the pre-sale. So let's click on next. So click on next. Okay, now you need to follow them on Twitter. Then you like the pin post, retweet, comment, and use tag, like you tag some of your friends. So but that it's not tagging your friends is not necessary. You can just like, comment, retweet, and copy your retweet link. So that's all. So I already have my retweet link, so I will paste my retweet link. So don't worry if you don't have a Twitter account. I will be dropping the retweet link in the description of this video. So let me click on that. So once you submit your retweet link, they will be asking you to submit your PM20 address. So let's submit our PM20 address. So we will be submitting our PM20 address. So I will be submitting my PM20 address. So once you come down to BNB, make sure you select Binance matching. So make sure you copy your Binance matching. Make sure you copy Binance matching. So let's head back to the boat. Okay, I will be pasting. So you paste the address you copied. So I will be pasting the address. So click on paste. Alright. You can see I have already been given this is 2,800 of Metable token. So earlier, so I have been giving me 2,800 of Metable token. So once you finish pasting your address, so you can do well by referring others. So you can check your balance. So let's check balance. So this is my balance. So you can copy this or referral link. So you can copy your referral link and share it in all social media. You can share with your friends, family, anybody. So to claim your airdrop, you click on claim. So you'll be clicking on claim. So I told you guys earlier that I have already used this bot. So my balance, I have already used this bot and I have paid me 2,800 Metable token. So I need more 2 users to withdraw. For your own case, you don't need any referral. You just click on claim. They're gonna distribute it to your wallet instantly. So you're gonna distribute it to your wallet instantly. So you can go to their channel and get their contract address. So their contract address is in their channel. So if you don't know how to add a custom token, you can scroll down and watch some of my video. I talk about how to add custom token to your wallet. So you can watch some of my video and know how to add custom token. So this is all for today. So if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell. I will be dropping the both link, the Twitter retweet link, and the website link. So if you want to partake in the pre-sale, you can partake in the pre-sale. If you want to use the bot, you can use the bot. So it's all your choice. So if you don't want to stress yourself using the bot, you can partake in the pre-sale directly. So it's all your choice. So thank you for watching.